Good day. The Rhodopean silivryak Haberlea rhodopensis, the resurgence plant of the flower of Orpheus. The Rhodopean silivryak is respective of the generative family. It is a Balkan endemic protected relic species. It is known for its long-term anabiotic growth resistance, also known as the resurgence plants or the flower of Orpheus. It has been established that the Orpheus flower is a pre-glacial relic. Its extends dating back to about 25 million years ago. There are about two areas in Bulgaria where Haberlea rhodopensis grown in nature. It can be found at various altitudes up to about 2,000 meters above sea level. Most locations are located in the Rhodope Mountains and the southern slope is of northern Greece, but small population are also found in the Staropolynar region. The plant is found of limestone glyphs in the area of the Rhodope town of Ardino. In 2023, for the first time, I discovered the Orpheus flower in the Rhodopean Balkan Lovish region, Bulgaria. The Rhodopean silivryak and approximately 3,050 other plant species are called resurgent plants. The Orpheus flower is among the most interesting and rare aspects of the Bulgarian flora and a unique plant in many ways. It was amazing properties among flowering plants which it can survive extreme and prone dehydration. Haberlea rhodopensis can survive 3 years in a herbarium. This property is called anabiotic drought resistant, that therefore called the resurgent flower. The silivryak can fall into a state anabiosis both in summer and in winter and revive with surface moisture, white and heat. When water is again available, the flower can recover in less than 2 days and continue to develop. Haberlea rhodopensis, also known as resurgent flower. Evolution, the resurgent flower is a relic of the Ice Age, surviving to spread of the European ice sheets. It the refuge of southern Europe. Haberlea rhodopensis became a separate plant species about 25 million years ago, separated from its close relative Ramonda serbica. Serbian Ramonda. Etymology, the plant was discovered in the mid 19th century by expedition organized by the Vienna Botanical Garden. Application, a natural product with high antioxidant potential. The Rhodopean is suitable for dozens of diseases. It limits the action of free radicals that cause premature aging of the body. It was a beneficial effect on immunity and vitality. Detoxes the body. It contributes to the normal functioning of the cardiovascular, respiratory, circulatory system, and liver activity. It has a beneficial effect on diabetes in addition to its rejuvenating and tonic effect. The medicinal flower cleans blood vessel and it used for liver, the gastrointestinal diseases. It helps to the body recover after surgery and aid in tumor and cancer diseases. Thank you for attention.